Look where light pole is. We're not gonna get any electricity.
Oh, we're not getting electricity today.
You know, because we don't see nobody.
Oh boy, look at this.
Huh. So we had it easy. Run our way.
Yeah, it's nothing. It's like there's no damage where we're at. Although, if we lived in the yard that had the tree blow over, in Junie's yard, we might be talking a different tune. Oh boy, look at this. Yeah.
Huh. Look at that. Look there. We're not gonna get any electricity.
No, we're not getting power today. No. And there's not anybody here working.
I don't see nobody working.
No, Oh boy. No. Don't count on electricity today.
Is that what we come out to sell?
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
So now we know. Now we just deal with what we have to deal with.
Yeah.
Yeah.